Hey, good afternoon here in the middle of the MOC show with lots of crazy new products. I've come to be attracted by one real novelty here, and I'm here standing with Lucca Chesky, the founder of the Chesky Audio. The name is quite famous. He's the son of David Chesky. And I want to ask you, Luca, how did you get here?
Yeah, so I mean, it really starts in the early beginning. My whole life I've been a musician. I play piano, drums, and guitar. And so music's been a large factor in my life, along with, high-end audio. It was around last year that I took an internship at Princeton University's 3D Audio Lab for Applied Acoustics. And there I was doing research for the lab. And in my spare time, I wanted to create something that would merge my passion for music with my passion for technology. And using the spare drivers in the lab, I threw together a small little sealed bookshelf speaker. And the feeling that I had when I heard that for the first time was unbeatable. So 20 prototypes later, we're here with the LC-1. And the LC-1 is a fully passive two-way speaker. We use a mid-bass cone and a soft dome tweeter, and then we have two 8-inch passive radiators. And one thing that's really unique about the LC-1 is the whole thing is 3D printed. From the ground up, the cabinet is one solid piece. So structurally, it's very, very inert and rigid, all benefiting the acoustic properties of it. But there's an advantage of using 3D. So you see this pattern here. This is actually functional. This helps diffuse the high frequency waves reflecting off the face of the baffle. But the same kind of pattern is also on the inside of the speaker, along with various other acoustic treatments to really make sure the cabinet is sonically optimized. And as a 17-year-old myself, I really wanted to create something that would bring in a new generation of audiophiles. So the LC-1,
Music lovers as well?
audiophiles, music lovers, or anybody who wants to get great sound for a good price. So the LC-1s are $498 each, $996 for the pair. We sell currently at the moment direct only in the US, but we're looking for international dealers here at the MOC. And yeah, the whole goal with this rig that you guys are seeing here is to show that you don't have to give an arm and a leg to get the same qualities and characteristics that you can in a $10,000 system. So as our amplifier here, we're using the Cambridge Audio EXA. This is a $2,000 integrated. So pretty much our whole system's only $3,000.
I think this is such a fantastic approach, and this is what attracts me so much in this design. You could have been tempted to do a money no object, but
Right.
you went for a specific targeted audience.
I think it's a lot easier to make a speaker that sounds great. That's very, very expensive, but
Correct.
I think it's much more of a challenge to see how good can you get it for the price.
We can thank the Princeton lab a little bit for
Yes, absolutely. Without them, this wouldn't be possible.